Alright guys, it's finally here. You guys know I broke my phone Thursday. Today, we got the new one. It's so hard to do work without a phone. So, we got two of these iPhone 16s. We got a black one, and then we got this aqua marine or something like that. So, yeah. Oh, the ultra marine. So check that out. Check it out. Alright, so bit of a downgrade going from a iPhone 15 Pro Max down to just the basic iPhone 16 base model. In the back, you got this little strip thing here. Take the back, and then there's one at the top, one at the bottom. All right, here we go. Oh, came with the charger.
Look at it. Come with a cord.
Yeah, it doesn't come with the power box. All right, so check this out. Super fresh. The freshies. Let's see.
It's cool.
It is cold. So, I'm about to go to the store and go buy a new case for this. We got a charger. Been needing a new phone for a while now. I wanted to get the iPhone 17 Pro Max, but with my little budget, this is quite the blessing. All right, set it up in English, United States, default, set up without another device. I don't know if this will work.
What is it saying?
What's that? Yeah, I'll probably maybe do my iPad to use it.